Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be learning a simple worship song by the Loveworld singer, Sweetest melody. Alright, so we're going to be playing it in a key of G. Alright, so if you are a new subscriber on my channel, I have a beginner course for beginners. It's in my playlist. It's a crash course with about 53 videos. Which allows you to learn all the keys. So if you don't understand the key of G, get into the description box. You see the link there. You click on it. It will take you to the videos you go through, and then you learn the key of G. But if you are familiar with the key of G, or you can follow what I'm teaching, you follow and then we get along. Alright, so the song, alright, so the song is a very simple one with a very simple progression. A 1, 6, and then 2, 2, and then a 5. So it's 1, 1, then 6, then 2, 5. So basically that's the whole song. It's a 1, 6, then 2, 5. 2, 5. 1, then to 6. Alright, so with this, you should be able to play the song. Okay, so if we are beefing it up, you can play your 2 like this. Alright, so when you listen to the song, you can hear this this note in. Alright, so they play like with a 1 like this. Okay, so a major 7 chord, so with a 1 and then the 7. From 1, then you move to a 2. Now when we're learning the 7th and then the 9th chords, you know, you can play this and then you get your minor 9, or you can just remove this and then you play your minor 7th chord instead of the 9. You can use any of them. So after the 1, you move to a 2, of them, then you move to a 5. Now with a 5 you can play a G7, sorry, a 7th chord like this, or for me I would rather suggest you maintain the 2. Okay, this actually chord 4 in the key of G, but when you're playing this with the bass root on 2, it's also allowed. Right, so that's why I'm saying 2. Actually this is 2. So I'm just playing this with the help of the bass. Alright, so play 1 like this. So you maintain it and then you play a 5, then you come back to 1. Then you maintain the 1 and then you play a 6 for you to get your minor 9. It's a chord 6. Then the 2. I'm going to play the song and then play along so that you get it. Okay, so as I said, it's just a 1, 6, and then a 2, 5, back to 1. So, play around it, use the chords that you know. So if you're playing 1, but your 1 and then a 6, then 2, then a 5. Alright, so essentially what I played was a 1. So 1 over 1, 1 over 6, then you play a 2, then you play a 2 over 5. So that's all that I played. You can also see this way, only these 2 chords. So there's a chord 3 and then a chord 4. So you can play like that with this over 1 over 6. Then you play this over 2, then over 5. Yeah. So basically that's all. Thank you for being a part of this tutorial. I hope it blesses you. Keep on sharing, click on the subscription button, and then see you in the next video. Bye bye.